In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Windows PC to OneDrive. If you want an easy way to protect your important files on a Windows computer, OneDrive can help by backing up common folders so they stay synced to the cloud. This is especially useful if you want access to your files across devices or added protection in case something happens to your PC. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up with confidence. First, look at your Windows taskbar and click the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually located near the clock in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Opening OneDrive from the taskbar gives you quick access to your sync and backup options. Once the OneDrive panel opens, click the gear icon in the top right corner. This is where you'll find the main controls for the app. From that menu, select Settings. That will open the OneDrive settings window, where you can manage how your files sync and which folders are being protected. In the settings window, click the Sync and Backup tab in the left-hand menu. This section is specifically where OneDrive handles file syncing and folder backup features. If you've never adjusted these settings before, this is where you'll be able to review what's currently protected and what still needs to be backed up. Next, click Manage Backup. This opens the folder protection setup, where OneDrive shows you the folders that can be backed up. Typically, these include common locations such as desktop, documents, and pictures. Backing up these folders is a smart choice because they often contain your most important everyday files. Now, toggle on the folders you want to protect. Take a moment here and choose carefully based on what you actually want saved to OneDrive. Keep in mind that once backup is enabled, files in those folders will sync to your OneDrive storage, so it's a good idea to make sure you have enough available space in your account. After you've selected the folders you want, click Save Changes. OneDrive will then begin setting up the backup and syncing those files. Depending on how many files you have and your internet speed, this may take a little time. You can continue using your computer while the backup finishes in the background, and that's it. Once this is set up, your selected folders will be protected through OneDrive, giving you a simple and reliable backup solution for your Windows PC.